everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to restore deleted posts on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. You can restore recently deleted posts including photos, videos, reels, and stories using Instagram's recently deleted function. For 30 days after deletion, Instagram items remains in your recently deleted folders. They are then permanently erased by default after that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Your Activity. On Your Activity page, scroll downwards and tap on Recently Deleted. Here you can see all your deleted posts. Tap on the post you would like to restore. Click on the vertical dots on the upper right corner. From the menu below, click Restore. To confirm it, tap Restore again. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to restore deleted posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.